Thank you so much for dropping by. What a beautiful day to begin with. It's a very beautiful day. Still, it is sunny and it's raining as well. And just watch this movie on Netflix. It's a Malayalam movie. Maneyari,
Maniyali.
Maneyali,
No, Maniyali.
Maneyarali, Maneyarali. What is it?
Maniyali.
Really?
Yeah.
He didn't. Okay. Maneyarali Ashokan. Okay, I will simply say Ashokan. With apology, I cannot say it very nicely. Maneyarali.
Maniyali. Maniyali.
Maneyarali.
Yeah.
Okay. So the story starts like this. It's a beautiful, fascinated, because I'm always fascinated with the beauty and the nature of the place. And the movie is, I think, shot in a rural and life, a village life. And let's see. Okay, we'll not make fun of it. Thank you so much for dropping by. What a beautiful day to begin with. And it's still raining here, and I think the weather is getting better, but it's bright sunny and it's raining as well. And today I'm going to review a recently watched Malayali movie on Netflix. It's Maneyali Ashokan. With apology, I cannot pronounce the name very well because it's very hard. And the story is very beautiful, especially I'm fascinated with the beauty of the rural life and the greenery, the village life. It's so beautiful. So the movie is all about a guy in a village and who has a very ordinary job, and he is short, and he is like around 40 or something like this. Means like he is departing that age of marriage. So that's why he is being criticized by his cousins, his families, and his parents. They are trying their level best to get him married, but every time there is a problem. So let's discuss the synopsis. It's in our culture because it is recently happened with one of my friend also. He got married at the very like almost 40. Similar features, complexion same, height same, everything is same. Sam.
And same like you.
Yeah. Okay. So what happened? This guy, he is being criticized by his community. He has friends also who are more supportive than his cousins or other family members. So his parents finally try to get him hooked up or get him married with a girl, and as they go into the house, they try their level best to talk about, okay, let's discuss this. But once he goes out and his father, they forgot something. Maybe it is like a root or something of plant. So he goes back to the same family, and he overheard them. The girl was saying that he is short, he is blah 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 blah. He has not, like he was insecure about his complexion as well as his minor job. And he hears everything, and he goes back, and his father understood that they are talking something bad about him. He said, I will find another good girl for you. And the girl is embarrassed because she tried to confront him that, okay, I said something bad. Later we will find that this guy, his friends all are in relationship. They are getting married. One already got married and got kids also, and there are some clashes, but overall they at least have family, but only he has nothing. So what happens, he is into love again because there is one girl who is painting his pictures. So now they are just trying to get closer so that they can get married. What happened, the priest says that though if you really wanted to get married with him or her, there is a problem in your horoscope, and that's like your first wife will definitely die. Thus she hears this news and she fell on the floor, and the girl was very excited to get married with him. She was deeply in love with him, trying to do everything. The parents somehow agree, but after listening this, his plan for getting married all vanished, and that girl is married off to a guy who works in Dubai. So now again, single again, waiting in queue. And he says that how to finish this spell. He talks to the priest, and priest said that better you should go and get married with anything, animal or any tree. Maybe tree will be better. Yes, it is the story. Yeah, it's strange. Yes, and then what happens? He finds the coconut. Oh, it's not coconut tree. I think it's a banana tree. So he gets married with the banana tree, and the conditions are like this, that you have to wake up early in the morning and give your true feeling and concern to that tree. So he wakes up very early in the morning, pre-dawn, and goes and get married with the tree. Yes, that's why it's strange. And then what happens? Somehow he doesn't tell everything to his friends or families, so they just see some kind of change of behavior in him. So his friends are saying that, well, I think he is losing his mind or something like this, so better we should get him married. So they find a new girl for him. Okay, but this time, before things started, when he comes back home, his mother comes and cut off that tree, and he gets mad. This is how, when you have feelings for everything, so feelings matter the most, and he is angry with his own mother, but his mother somehow trying to find means a seed, a little portion of that tree, and planted two different small trees out of it. And then she said she understood that he has deep affection for this plant, and when he comes back from work, her mother said, your father planted two tiny small trees. They are your plants, you better take care of them. And he goes out and he feels like, oh, they are my small two little cutie kids. So that's how he feel about them, and he takes care of them too much, even in the rain and everything. Sun or he takes care of them very well. So now what happens? His friends are concerned about what is happening, and he opens up all his thing with them, but not telling them that what the priest told them. And they thought that he has some psychiatric problems, so they took him to that psychiatric center, and there he talks with the supervision over there, I think. That's why they understood the situation is something like this. They release him and he comes back, and his friends one time wanted to cut the tree, and that's why he was super mad at him. But now what happens, he is getting married to the girl, and the people from that area, they came and they wanted to cut off the tree, but his own friends are there who saved those trees there. So you can see in this also that the friends were more closer, and they understood, even though they have a family and they have issues, they have everything, they shown too much concern about their friend. And that's very good message that we see here. No matter whatever happens in your life, your friend should be always there to help you, console you, and support you in all the decisions that you make. So what happens? And he gets married, and finally there is a happy ending. Good. So I hope you will love this movie. It is a brilliant and must watch, and the beautiful thing is about friendship, and especially in our society, that really we need to take away with this, that we should not judge the people by their look, and especially all the good people, it doesn't mean, I read one time that sometimes the people covered with the bad tattoos have good heart. So, and sometimes people, those who looks more clean, they are bad with the intentions. I hope you will like it, and subscribe, press the bell icon, and kindly let me know what movie should I watch it. And I really like the acting, especially cinematographic views they have taken it, the gestures of the people, and everything very slow pace, but overall it is good because it is new. Everything is new. It's not like an ordinary story that we watch. So good societal issue that they have brought up. Kindly like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye.